So now we have the 19th question. The 19th question is that the lines r vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus L into 2I cap plus k cap and r is equal to 2I cap minus j cap plus m into I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and we have to choose from the four options. So let's move to the solution. So we are letting the two lines marked as 1 and 2, and the two lines r is equal to a plus tb and r is equal to c plus td. The shortest distance d we are calculating. After the calculation we have minus I cap dot minus I minus j plus 2k upon minus I minus j plus 2k cap, all in mod, that is equal to 1 upon under root of minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2 square. That gives us 1 upon under root of 6. And since the shortest distance between these lines exists, hence the lines do not intersect. Therefore the first part.